Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online class of business studies. Today we will be going to deal with the first factor of marketing mix, that is the product mix. First of all, product topic we will be going to explain. No, as already I started in that I will be explaining one by one all the things as we have already started up to the branding. Let us continue and then we will be proceeding to the once again the recall. Branding we have completed, student. Trademark, qualities, features of a good brand name I explained to you. While selecting a brand name, attention must be paid to the following things. Brand name should be short and simple as I explained to you. For example, Lux, Dettol, Surf, etc. has long and complicated names are difficult to recognize and remember. So brand name should be short and simple so that people can pronounce and can get easily the product. If it is big, the people will find difficult to speak before the shopkeepers. Brand name should be easy to pronounce. As it is difficult to pronounce, the customer will hesitate to demand. For example, the product name like Hens, I already explained to you. Brand name should be suggestive, that is, it must suggest the utility of the product. For example, Hajmola suggests digestive property, Ujala suggests brightness, hair and care suggests care of hairs, etc. The brand name should be unique and distinctive, student. As the brand name, if it is distinctive, it will be it must be distinctive because if a unique name will be there, if a identical name will be there, then it will be difficult to classify the product in the market. The brand name should be very different and should not lose its identity. For example, Ariel, Tide, etc. The brand name should be selected after considering its meaning in other languages and cultures. For example, the brand name Nova giving to ambassador car means does not go in Spanish. Such type of name should be avoided because it must not affect the culture and the trend of the country. Okay, so brand name should be like that. It must be proper. Advantages of brand name, students, when we say there are various advantages. The very first advantage is helps in product differentiation. The brand name helps to differentiate the product, one product from the another. With branding, marketer can differentiate its product from the competitor's product. Helps in advertising. With the brand name, advertising become more effective, and it is not only makes people aware about the features of product but also about brand which can provide this benefit. So it also helps to advertise the product and makes the product known in the market with its own name. So branding plays a very important role because if the product is not having the name, how could we promote the product? By what way the people can identify which product we are talking? So for that, in advertising time also product branding plays a very important role. Differential pricing. Yes, students, according to brand only the product prices are set. As you can see, Cadbury's, Nestle products are having a price according to their brand name. Local products, they are having their own price. As good the brand name is there, as good your product name is there in the market, that will be the pricing of the product. So differential pricing can be done only because of only on the basis of brand name. With established brand name, the firm can easily change the high price for its product as compared to competitors' product. Easy introduction of new product. The company which use their company's name as brand name, then it becomes very easy for such company to popularize the new product it is planning to introduce. Like if any branded company product is launched in the market, too much promotion is not needed, too much introduction is not needed. From the brand only people can have the belief on the product that it is of so and so brand company, so it will be having it is trustworthy product. So the brand name will help to introduce the new product of the company very easily. Advantages to customer of the brand name has in identification of the product, student. Branding helps to the customer to select the product easily, as the brand which is giving them satisfaction can be selected easily over the competitor product. So it helps to identify the product in the market. So branding helps the customer to select the product easily which is needed for which is given them satisfaction can be selected easily over the competitor product. Ensure quality, student. Brand name gives quality assurance, as I already said. Cadbury, from the name itself, it gives quality assurance because company will never try to make a doubt over the trust of the people, of the customer. So whenever a brand is there, it will ensure the quality of the product. That quality will not be misutilized. So brand name gives quality assurance, and customers can buy branded goods with no doubts about quality of the product. Status symbol. Use of branded goods adds to status to the people. When they are using a branded product, they feel good. They are proud that they are having a product which is having a name. So use of branded goods add to status symbol of customer and adds to their confidence level. Packaging students. When we talk about the packaging of the product, it also is very important point about the product mix, because as good the packaging will be there, that way the goods will be promoted good. The company always supply the product in package form. For example, Coke comes in bottle, tied in bag, biscuits and wrappers, all in jar, etc. Packaging is a basic activity of every company. It can be defined as a set of tasks or an activity which are concerned with the designing, production of an appropriate wrapper, customer, or a bag for the product. So it makes the product different from other product. It can be called as silent salesman, because when the goods are a good packed, it makes the people attract to purchase the product. So that way it is a silent salesman which makes the sales of the product. That is a good point about the packaging. Level packaging. There are 3 levels of packaging, student. One is primary package, secondary package, and the third is the transportation package. When we talk about the primary package, student, it refers the immediate packing of product. It remains with the product till it is used. For example, tube or paste, matchbox, etc. Secondary package, when we talk, student, there are additional packing which gives more protection. Generally, customers throw that when they start using the product. For example, cardboard box used to keep toothpaste. People throw box when they start using paste. Transportation packaging, when we talk, student, these are packaging used for storing or transporting the goods. This packing gives protection to goods. For example, corrugated boxes used to shift ruffle, lace, kurkure, etc. So these are the 3 types of packaging, students: primary, secondary and transportation. The toothpaste tube in which it is packed, it is known as primary package. Outer side of the tube, one box is there, that is secondary package, you can say. Transportation package, when lots of toothpaste has to be transported from one place to another place, then it is placed in the cartons. It is known as transportation packaging. Importance of packaging, when we talk, student, these are the various advantages or importance of packaging. Very first, rising standard of health and sanitation. Packing has become essential because of rising standard of health and sanitation. In a packed goods, there are less chances of contamination of product. People prefer packed products over loose, as there are less chances of adulteration in packed product. So there is a rising standard of health and sanitation, student. Self-service outlets. The self-service outlets are becoming very popular. In these stores, generally products with attractive packing are picked by buyers more quickly. Product differentiation. Packaging, like the navy blue color of Cadbury chocolate, it automatically gives the idea to the people that this wrapper is of that particular chocolate. Kit Kat, red color packaging is done. So that makes the product differentiate also. So packaging with different colors and different size, it makes the people automatically understand that which product it is. So packaging helps the customer to differentiate between goods on the basis of quality. As with the types of packing, customer can guess about the quality of the goods. Innovational opportunities. Recent developments in packaging have completely changed the marketing. For example, new packing in soft drinks, chips, biscuits keep them fresh for a longer period of time. Even milk can be stored for 4-5 days without refrigeration. Scope of marketing is increasing with new innovations in packaging. So innovational opportunities are there, student. We can make more innovation in the field of packaging, so that more and more customer can get attracted towards the packaging. Like milk, if I give example, it is now packed in the Tetra Pak, which can be kept for the 4 to 5 days. So now it is good thing. The packaging also helps to maintain the good for a longer period of time. So that is a type of innovation. So packaging always involves some innovation that makes the product to be attracted to the customers. Scope of marketing is increasing with new innovations in packaging. Now come functions of packaging, student. Packaging is an essential function of companies because of following reasons. Very first, protection. The fundamental function of packaging is that it protects the product from damage. Appropriate packaging protects the product from sun, rain, moisture, breakage, insect, etc. For example, airtight container and packets are used for chips, biscuits, jam, cola, etc., which need protection from atmospheric contacts. Products like television or other appliances need to be protected from damage in transit, so they are packed in big boat cartons, etc. So there is a protection, student. So fundamental function of packaging is that it protects the product from damages. It makes the product to be protect from various type of harmful things like sun rays, moisture, breakage, etc. So that is the merit of having a packaging. It gives protection to the product. Product like television, as we learned, it is coming in big cartons, so that it will be also getting safety at the time of transportation. Identification, student. The second function of packaging is that it makes the product to be identified in the market. With the help of packaging, the product can be easily identified. For example, with the yellow and black packaging and alphabet K, we can recognize from far off that it is a Kodak product or a red color, and unique shape of Coke bottle, we can identify it from distances also. Convenience, student. Yes, the third function of packaging is it is convenient to handle the product if it is packed. The handling of the product become more convenient with appropriate packaging. It makes it convenient to store and convenient to ship from one place to another. For example, new PET bottles of cold drink has made it very convenient for middleman to transport it, supply it and store it. Promotion. Packaging plays a role of silent salesman because it promotes or enhances the sales of the product. So it makes the product to be sold in the market. The attractive, colorful and innovative packaging attracts the customer, especially if the product is children's product. Attractive packaging always induces the customer to buy the product, especially the children. They like to purchase that product which is having an attractive packaging. Next comes labeling. When we talk about labeling, student, it means putting identification marks on the package. Labeling is very important for each and every product sold in the market because labeling contains very important information related to the product. Like for example, the details of the product, what things are included in the product, the right time to use the product, till what time it can be utilized, what is the MRP of the product, batch number, everything important related to the product is mentioned in the labeling. Label is the carrier of information, so we can say it provides information like name of the product, name of manufacturer, contents of product, expiry and manufacturing date, as I already said, general instruction, even the warning signals, weight, price, etc. Labels are attached to the product on the product to provide some information to customer. Product labels can be in simple tag form, as in case of local product like rice, pulses, etc. Elaborate means brief details are mentioned as used by reputed companies. They are very attractive and give complete information about the product to customers. Apart from details of product, some statutory warnings which are essential for some product must be printed on label. For example, on tobacco, liquor, it is compulsory to mention it that its consumption is injurious to health. So that is the student warning things, everything good about the product labeling. Label perform the following function, as packaging were having some important functions, same way label is also having important functions. Its very first is describe the product and specify its contents. The manufacturer cannot communicate to each and every customer personally. So if he wants to communicate and share some information about the product with the customer, that he can provide through the way of label. Label actually contains each and every complete information related to the product, which makes the customer convinced in every sense. The manufacturer prints all the information related to products such as the contents, price, instruction to use, etc. Identify the product. Labeling plays a very important role as it helps to identify the product. The label helps the customer to identify the product from the various types available. For example, we can easily identify a Cadbury chocolate from the various chocolate caps in the shelf of a shop by the color of its label. Helps in grading, student. With the help of label, product can be graded in different categories. For example, Brooke Bond label, red label, Brooke Bond yellow label, green label, etc. That helps to make the student different from another product of the same. There are all the tea. If you will say Brooke Bond and all, there are the tea only. But every tea is having a different quality from other. Like yellow and the green tea is demanded in the form of health, safety. The other teas are just to make us satisfied. So this helps in grading also. Promote sale. Attractive and colorful labels excite customer, attract the customer, induce him to buy the product, especially in consumer goods. Attractive labels increase sales volume. So it helps to make more and more sales of the product. Providing information required by law, legal requirements. The label is also used to fulfill the legal requirement, as it is legal compulsion to print batch number, content, maximum price, retail price, weight or volume on all the products On some product, giving statutory warning is also a legal compulsion, and these legal requirements are fulfilled through labels. This was the labeling, students. Last about the labeling is, after the labeling the product, what is there is the pricing, price mix. So product mix, student, up to this much only. Beside this, in the product mix come the tagline. Nowadays tagline is very interesting about the product. At the advertisement of the product, student, some lines are also stated, like kuch meetha ho jaye. It is about the dairy milk. It helps the person to identify the product also. So this type of taglines also plays a very important role, and nowadays every product is having a tagline which you must also know to have whenever you are producing a product. So tagline is important there. Then USP is a unique selling proposition. What is USP, student? Unique selling proposition is a part of, these things are not in the book, but it is the part which must be there with the product. So USP, student, when you will be writing, it is unique selling proposition. What is USP? It makes the product different from other products. See here, there are so many chocolates. Maybe they are having some same quality, but some 1 and 2 will be different quality, that makes the product different from other products. So that is the important role of the product differentiation about the quality of the products. That is USP. That makes one product different from other and helps to identify the product also. That is the USP, unique selling proposition. So every product must have the USP. Those 7 to 8 features will be same about the competitor product and our product, but one feature must be different, that is not in other product but in our product. So these 2 points you have to remember when you will be making your product. Price, student. Price is the value which a buyer passes on to the seller in lieu of the product or service provided. Price is the crucial element of marketing mix. Because customer is very sensitive to this element, little variation in the price may shift your customer to competitor's product. For example, if the price of Pepsi is charged from rupees 8 to 8.50, then in place of Pepsi, people can demand Coke because that is still available at rupees 8. It is therefore important that the pricing decisions are taken with care and caution, because any small penny difference also can make your customer shift from your product to other product. Price must match the utility offered by the product or service. The customer is always ready to pay a price equal to utilities he gets from the product. Price is normally expressed in monetary terms. It is the worth of a product or service in monetary terms. It is a monetary value which a person is ready to sacrifice for getting the utility of the product, which every buyer is ready to pay. So this was for today's class, student. I hope you have understood the particular topics. Thank you for attending the class. Keep this point in your particular notes so that it will be helpful for making your project. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day.